What if I told you that 5 tools, all free, could quietly hand you back several hours every single week? Not by working harder, but by deleting the boring, repetitive parts of your week that you don't even notice are eating your time. And no, I'm not talking about ChatGPT or Gemini. These are 5 lesser-known free AI tools that professionals, students, and creators are actually using right now to save real time. By the end of this video, you'll have a free toolkit that gives you your week back. Here's the thing about wasted time. It rarely shows up in one big block. It leaks. 20 minutes writing up meeting notes. Half an hour fighting with slide formatting. 15 minutes trying to draw a diagram that still ends up looking bad. 10 minutes rearranging your calendar after one meeting moved. A few minutes here and there just staring at a task you don't know how to start. Add it all up across a week and it's hours. Hours you'll never see blocked off on a calendar, but absolutely feel by Friday. The good news is that AI has quietly gotten very good at exactly these small, repetitive jobs. So today I'm skipping the tools everyone already knows and showing you 5 free ones built specifically to save time. Before we begin, a quick note. Free plans, features, and usage limits can change over time, so be sure to check each tool's website for the latest details. This is Aurevox AI, where we make AI simple, practical, and useful for creators, professionals, business owners, and anyone who wants to work smarter. Let's get into it. First up is Otter.ai, and if you sit through meetings, lectures, or interviews, this one is for you. Otter is an AI note-taker. It listens to a conversation, live or recorded, and turns it into a clean, searchable transcript, then automatically pulls out a summary and the key action items. Here's how it saves time. Normally in a meeting, you're trying to do 2 jobs at once. Actually listen and scribble notes so you don't forget anything. You end up doing both badly. With Otter running, you can just pay attention, knowing every word is being captured. After the meeting, instead of replaying it all in your head, you get a summary in seconds. A practical example. Say you have a 45-minute client call. Done manually, you'd take rough notes during it, then spend another 20 to 30 minutes afterward cleaning them up, writing a summary, and listing what everyone agreed to do. With Otter, that after work basically disappears. You open the summary, skim it, send it. That's potentially half an hour saved per meeting, several times a week. The free plan gives you a set number of transcription minutes each month, which is plenty for a few important meetings. Just double-check the current limits, because they do change, and always let people know when you're recording. Second is Gamma, and this is the one that quietly kills the worst time sink in office and school life. Making slides. Gamma is an AI presentation builder. You give it a topic or paste in your rough notes, and it generates a complete, nicely designed deck. Layout, formatting, images, the works, in under a minute. How it saves time is obvious the moment you've ever built a deck from scratch. The actual ideas might take you 10 minutes. The formatting, resizing boxes, aligning text, picking colors, making slide 7 match slide 6, eats the next 2 hours. Gamma takes that formatting work off your plate entirely. A practical example. Imagine you need a 10-slide presentation for a class project or a team update. Doing it manually in the usual slide software, you're looking at 1 to 3 hours of fiddling. With Gamma, you type your outline, hit generate, and you've got a polished draft in a minute or 2. Then you just edit the words and tweak the style to match you. You're never starting from a blank slide again. The free plan works on a credit system that's enough to create several presentations and see if it fits you. The smart move is to let Gamma handle structure and design, then make the content your own. It turns an afternoon of slide wrestling into a coffee break. Third is Napkin AI, and this one solves a problem you might not even realize is costing you time: making visuals. Napkin turns plain text into diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps, and infographics. You paste in your writing, and it generates editable graphics that actually explain your point. Why does that save time? Because building a good visual by hand is genuinely painful. Drawing a process diagram in design software means lining up boxes, arrows, and labels one by one, and it still ends up looking slightly off. Most people either give up or waste half an hour on something mediocre. A practical example. Say you're explaining a 5-step workflow in a report, a blog post, or a presentation. Manually, you'd open a design tool, build each box, connect the arrows, fix the spacing, and export it. 15 to 30 minutes easily. With Napkin, you write the 5 steps as text, and it instantly turns them into a clean, professional diagram you can recolor and export as an image. Seconds, not half an hour. It's especially good for creators, students, and anyone who has to make ideas look clear, and the free quota is generous enough to lean on regularly. It's the difference between describing an idea and actually showing it, without the design headache. Fourth is Reclaim.ai, and this is for anyone whose calendar runs their life instead of the other way around. Reclaim is an AI scheduling assistant. It connects to your calendar and automatically finds the best time for your tasks, habits, and meetings, and quietly rearranges things when your day changes. Here's the time it saves. Think about how much mental energy goes into just deciding when to do things. When do I fit in that report? Where does my workout go? 2 meetings just got moved. Now what? Every one of those little decisions is a tiny tax on your day. Reclaim handles them for you. You tell it what you need to get done and how long it takes, and it slots everything intelligently into the open spaces. A practical example. You've got a project task that needs 2 hours of focus this week. Manually, you'd scan your calendar, hunt for a gap, block it off, and then redo the whole thing the moment a meeting gets rescheduled. Reclaim finds the focus time automatically and defends it. And if something bumps it, it just rebooks it for you. No more playing calendar Tetris every single morning. The free plan covers the core scheduling features for an individual, which is exactly where most people feel the pain. It's like having an assistant whose only job is protecting your time. Fifth is a quirky little one called Goblin Tools, specifically its Magic To-Do feature. And it saves a kind of time most tools ignore. The time you lose staring at a task you don't know how to start. You type in something vague or overwhelming, and it instantly breaks it into clear, doable steps. There's even a slider to control how detailed the breakdown is. How does that save hours? Because the most expensive part of many tasks isn't doing them. It's the procrastination before them. We put off things that feel big and shapeless, and the longer you stall, the more time evaporates. Magic To Do removes that wall by turning Plan the Event into a concrete checklist you can just start working through. A practical example, you write down Organize the team off-site. On its own, that's intimidating, so it sits on your list for days. Drop it into Magic To Do, and you instantly get steps. Pick a date, set a budget, shortlist venues, send the invites, and so on. Each one is small enough to just do. What would have been 3 days of avoidance becomes an afternoon of actual progress. The website is free to use, which makes it the easiest one on this list to try today. Put these 5 together and look at what you've covered. Meetings, presentations, visuals, scheduling, and getting unstuck. 5 of the most common ways your week leaks time, each handled by a free tool. You don't need all 5 on day 1. Pick the one that matches your biggest time sink, use it for a week, and feel the difference. Then add another. The real lesson is this. Saving time with AI usually isn't about one dramatic do-everything tool. It's about quietly removing the small, repetitive jobs that pile up when you're not looking. And free tools are more than enough to start. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Aurevox AI for practical AI tools, productivity strategies, and automation guides that help you work smarter and save time every week. Don't chase the future. Own it. I'll see you in the next video.